How to fix TikTok no internet connection error. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok no internet connection error. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1, that is to check your internet connection. So first, make sure that your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Or if you still find the issue, then you can try turning airplane mode on and off and then reconnect to the internet before opening the TikTok again. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to restart the TikTok app. So here, close the TikTok app completely, and after that, you can reopen the app and check if the problem is fixed. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear the TikTok cache. So here, what you can do is just open the TikTok app on your phone. Now here, once you're inside, you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap on gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings and privacy section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as free up space. And now here in this section, you will see the option labeled as cache. So just beside that option, you will see the clear button. So simply tap on it and confirm by tapping on clear again. And with that, it will clear out all the temporary files and bugs. And with this, moving forward to the step 4, that is to update the TikTok app. So here, what you can do is simply open the Google Play Store. And here, what you can do is simply search for the TikTok app. And there, if you find any update button, then you can just tap on it to update the app to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to restart your phone. So sometimes the issue is temporary. So to fix that, what you can do is simply restart your phone. And here, once you're done restarting your phone, you can simply open the TikTok app again, and it might fix the issue. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to reinstall the TikTok app. So if the error still appears, then what you can do is simply uninstall the TikTok app and install it again from the Play Store or App Store, and it might fix the issue. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.